A very good evening, everyone. I hope all of you are doing good. We are really sorry for starting a little late because there were some other meeting which I had, but no issues. Now we are here. I hope all of you are doing great as I am very excited for this session as well. Yes, Crazy Coder Pictoblox. I am also waiting for this session for a very long time because this session is going to be the blast. You guys are going to learn something very important and something very new. A very good evening, Athav. A very good evening to all of you. I hope you all are doing great. Good evening. Good evening. I request all of you to ask your friends to join as fast as possible because we will be starting very soon. So ask your friends, your fellow classmates to join this meeting because we have started and we are live. So ask your friends to join us in this session. That's great. Oh, that's a nice. Good evening, everyone. I hope you all are doing great. Good evening. Good evening, all in one. Good evening, Vikrant. I hope all of you are doing well and all of you are happy. Give me a second. All right. So I guess we have a great amount of people who have joined us. Very good evening. All of your friends have joined. That's great. I'm very excited for this session then. All right. So welcome to the 14th session of Codeavour 2022. In this session, we are going to make an activity of mask detection using machine learning and the Python interface of Pictoblox application. Moving forward, so I request all of you to join the Telegram group as quickly as possible because the Telegram group is the official group in which we will be giving you guys all the updates as well as the support. The team is there for you 24/7. We are there. We are going to respond to all your queries. If you want, you can ask any type of queries. I request you not to ask or discuss about your competition there, about your project there, because if you are making any project, do not discuss about that because that will be preferable. So yeah, I hope all of you are doing great. Thank you so much. We are doing great. So yeah, join the Telegram group by clicking on the link that is there in the live chat box. You can scan the QR code or you can directly click on the link that is there in the description box. Moving forward, I'm going to play a short little video so that all the new joinees can understand about this competition and they can get an overview what is happening and what this session is all about. So I request all of you to watch this video very carefully and try to understand and grab all of the necessary information about Codeavour 2022. Thank you so much.
For the fourth consecutive year, bringing you the biggest international AI and programming competition for kids, Codeavour 2022 International 4th edition. To make kids aware and inspire them to brainstorm over emerging issues, to make the world a better place, kids need to build solution-based projects on the following theme: save the environment, strengthen the health infrastructure, revolutionize the agriculture, automate the surroundings, make smart transportation system. You can make anything and everything you want, from stories to games, from software-based AI projects to hardware-based projects. Pictoblox, an international AI education and coding platform. You can learn to code, make interactive animations and games, interesting projects based on AI, program actions for robots, and much more. With Pictoblox app now available on Play Store, you can even make your project for the competition on the go. Anyone above 7 years old and falling under 3 age groups can. Yes, you can either participate as a one-person army or in a team of 2 with your coding buddy. Follow these 3 easy steps to participate. Register by entering the team details on the contest portal. Prepare to enhance your coding and AI skill via self-learning material and AI bootcamps. Now that you have the skills required, it's time to show the world what you have got. Submit your project brief, project file, and the project video. Now all you have to do is sit back and wait for the results. Registration for Codeavour 2022 International starts on 10th of October. The last date to submit your project is 10th January 2023. You can register anytime between 10th of October and 10th of January 2023. The winners of Codeavour 2022 International will be announced on 31st January 2023. Participants stand a chance to win more than 60 prizes worth $20,000 in total. Along with the cash prizes up to $1,000, all the winners will also receive a medal, certificate, and the official Codeavour 2022 AI t-shirt. Participate in the biggest online AI and programming competition for kids with more than 3 lakh plus participants, 1,000 plus schools, 1 lakh plus teams from 90 plus countries. So, what are you waiting for? Registration starts today.
Yep, so I hope you were able to get the overview about this competition. All right. I'm just checking the chat box. Is it compulsory to join the Telegram group? It is compulsory because you will be getting all the updates over there only. So it is better if you join the Telegram group. Yes, Purva. I'm sharing the Telegram group link once again in the chat box. You can click on that and you can join the Telegram group. All right. Moving forward. Now coming to machine learning in security. So machine learning is the best, I would say, subfield of artificial intelligence because this can be used in each and every sector. You have machine learning in healthcare, you have machine learning in agriculture, you have machine learning in security and maintenance, you have machine learning in everywhere. You have machine learning in smart transportation, from small thing to a big thing. You can see ML everywhere nowadays because it is making your life easy. Now coming to machine learning in security. So in security area, machine learning can be used to detect number plates, which will be helpful for the government to see, okay, who is doing rash driving. You can detect number plates. So machine learning, so you can see, I cannot unlock my iPhone until it sees my face. I cannot make any payment until my face, until my face ID is recognized. Until my phone recognizes my face, I cannot make any payment to anyone. That is ML. Because why? Machine learning. Wait, what is machine learning in this? Machine learning in this particular field is that it has captured my face, it has captured how my face looks, what my face structure exactly is, my eyes, my nose, everything it has captured. And with that, that image that is being trained, that model that is being trained, it is checking if it is matching the result when it is, checking for the face. If it is matches the result that is stored, then only I can make any payment, I can unlock my iPhone, or I can send any message or anything that requires my Face ID. Then you can identify insider threats. In ML, you have this option by which you can protect your website, protect your application from, hackers attacking it. That is very important. Nowadays, hackers are all over there. They can hack, and the movies which are not even released, that are released by hackers, because what they do, they hack Netflix, they hack Amazon Prime, they hack other applications, and they release that content illegally. So ML can be helpful in that also. You can also detect the bad neighbors, right? You can detect the bad neighbors who is like, okay, who is this throwing leaves in my backyard? Let me try to catch him. You can catch that particular person using the camera, the security camera, the Ring security camera. We have talked about it a lot of times, that are used in a lot of homes to protect the homes from home invasion, from break-ins, from thefts, robbery. Yeah, any word you can use, but it protects. It makes you feel safe when you are sleeping at night. It makes you feel safe when you are not at home. It makes you feel safe when you are alone at home. So this is why ML plays a very important role in the area of security. You can protect your data, you can protect your emails, you can protect your data that you are shared with everyone, right? So machine learning in security plays a very important role. Now coming to the activity of mask detector. So what we are going to do, we are going to make an activity of mask detector. It is a mask detector system. Like ML, I have told you security reasons. And nowadays people, whenever someone is having cold, cough, fever, it is recommended that they should wear mask when they are going out in public. And whenever you are traveling in a highly congested means of transportation, or if you're going somewhere which is very crowded, it is preferable to wear a mask. Until now, I know that mask is nowadays wearing mask is nowadays becoming very unpopular. But remember, wearing mask for your own safety is very good. I wear mask too, because of pollution, because of, if I'm traveling somewhere, it protects me and makes me and my lungs happy. I will not fall sick that easily if I'm wearing mask, right? It is protecting me from harmful viruses, bacteria that can cause infection, that can cause that COVID and other things also. So for that, a lot of companies, what they did, they started using mask detector, which used to detect. So like, okay, Vivek is not wearing mask, so he will get a fine. But here we are making a simple application which can detect if a person is wearing mask or not. If the person is not wearing mask, the Toby sprite will say that please wear your mask. If the person is wearing mask, but in a wrong way, in a wrong manner, then the Toby sprite will say, please wear your mask properly. And if the person is not at all wearing mask, then the Toby sprite will ask that person to wear the mask for your safety and for others' safety as well. So that is what we are going to make in today's session. So I request all of you to download Pictoblox application. And yeah, that is the application that we will be using to download to make this mask detector. So I request all of you to download Pictoblox application. The links, I'm sharing it in the chat box right now. You can click on that link and you can download Pictoblox in your device. So we will make two classes, one mask on, another one will be mask off. We will make actually three classes. One will be mask on, one will be mask off, and one will be mask, but in wearing mask, but in an improper way. Yeah, so we will be making three classes. So I'm sharing the links in the chat box. You can click on that link and you can download Pictoblox in your device. You can also go down in the description box and download Pictoblox. And you have another option, which is download Pictoblox on your browser, select the first link, the hyperlink that is there by the STEMpedia.com, click on it. From there, you can select your device and you can download Pictoblox on your device. Okay, I hope that is clear to all of you. Fantastic. Okay, moving forward, I'm going to give you guys an overview. So this is what it looks like. You can see that the person is wearing mask. If it is wearing mask, then you can see mask on, then it is mask wrong, and the other one is mask off. So we are going to make 3 classes. So I'm going to open Pictoblox application now. Allow me a moment. So if you have any doubt, you can ask for it. Sir, biometric measures are safe for security measures. Exactly. Very good. All in one. May I know your full name? All in one? Is it just all in one, or you have an actual name? Are you able to hear me? You all are able to hear me, right? Abhijit, you can make project. You have a lot of time. You can make project till 10th of January 2023. So that is the last date you have to submit. Okay, your name is Shivanshu Yadav. Okay, Shivanshu. It's nice to have you in this session every day. I really enjoy. I really when I don't see Athar's message, I don't see Shivanshu's message. I feel oh, we are missing them. Thank you, Athar. I will really like to meet you guys very soon. All right. Now I've opened Pictoblox on my device. What I will do is I will switch to Python interface. I will click on go ahead. And I will open the ML environment. For that, I will click on file and open ML environment. You have another option. So a lot of people were facing that issue that they cannot access or open the ML environment from file. So if you're not able to do that, what you can do, you can go back in blocks. You can click on add extension and you can open the machine learning environment from here also. You can see it is here, this one. Okay, but yeah, this is how you can open it. All right. So now I'm creating a new project. So the project name is going to be Mask Detector, and this is a 7 p.m. session. So I'm just writing 7 p.m. Sorry. And it is going to be an image classifier project. So I'm going to click on that and create project. So the project is created. Shivanshu Yadav, yeah. All right, so now you can see there are 2 classes. I have to add another class. So now there are 3 classes over here. The first class, let us make that class to be mask off. The second class can be, oh, sorry. This is going to be, no problem. This one can be mask wrong. And this one can be mask on. All right, now let's add images. So allow me a second, please. As it always connects to my phone. Just a second. Yep. All right. Yeah. Okay. Now I guess I will be able to open my webcam. All right. So this one is mask wrong. So I have to wear my mask, but it in a wrong manner or in a wrong way. So I will wear my mask, but I will put it a little down. Okay, like this. And I will click a lot of images. So I can click as many images as I want to, but I will click, supposedly I will click more than 200 images because that is preferable. So I will put the mask first on my chin and record some images. I can speak also. Make sure that you get close. You make sure that you are moving your face in all the directions while recording. And now I can put the mask a little more down and I can click more pictures. I can click more 200 pictures. All right. I can get a little closer. I can get a little far. And let us click a few more pictures of mask on the chin. No problem if you're speaking, you don't have to pose, you just have to click images. That's it. So I guess 510 images is good to go. Now mask on. Let's click pictures of mask on first and then mask off. That will be better. Okay, mask on. Wear my mask. I'm wearing the mask. I can click pictures. So let's click around 300 or 400 pictures. You have to look here and there. You can look in every direction. You can get a little closer, get a little far from the camera. Make sure you are capturing each and every detail of each and every side because that is preferable. Make sure you are the camera and everything. It is good to go. All right. Okay, so yeah, 510 images of this also. Then mask off. So mask off, we can click around what? 300 images. Let's click that. So this is mask off in which you can speak also. You can just hold to record. You don't have to click again and again. You can just hold your cursor on the button and you can record it. You can get a little closer, get a little far, move in all the directions, show that you are not wearing the mask. Click around 300 or 400 pictures, or maybe 500 if you want, because if you click a lot of pictures, the accuracy of the model is going to be very good. We want the accuracy to be very good, therefore we are clicking very good amount of pictures and good to go. So we have clicked 510 images from for each class. Now let's train this model. So it's going to take some time, okay? Because we have added like around 1,500 pictures. That's a very big amount. So it's going to take a little time. Till then, I am going to come back on the YouTube and I'm going to answer a few of your Doubts. So how much time will it take us to learn Python programming? Soon you will be mastered in Python programming. Don't worry. So how can I get books about Pictoblox? There is no books about Pictoblox. I'm sorry. We have guides and everything that is online material that we will be we can share it with you, no problem. So yeah, I'm here. You can ask your doubt till the time that model is training because it's going to take around 2 to 3 minutes to train this model till the time you guys can ask your doubts if you have any. There are no Raspberry Pi 3. That's great, Shivanshu. Fantastic. All right. I also use Python. Very good, Shivanshu. Good job. So do any one of you have any doubt related to how we train the model and any other doubt related to the competition? You can ask me. Please feel free. You can join the tomorrow's doubt session at the same time as well. Sir, which app is this? So Shalu, this is Pictoblox application that we are using. Sir, is there any Python course on STEMpedia? Yes, there is. So there is free Python course that you can join. Once you are done registering for this competition, you can join the free Python course that is there on your dashboard. So there is ATL service in my school. That means you can participate easily, no problem. So we have only one project. Yeah, you can only submit one project. You can make as many projects for your understanding, but you have to submit only one project. Sir, can you send the Pictoblox link for PC again? Yes, I can definitely. I will share it with you, no problem. Or what you can do is it is there in the description box as well. How can I join? Shalu, you can join, you can easily download Pictoblox from the link that is there. If you're asking how to join for this competition, so please, I request you to join the doubt session that we have tomorrow, or what you can do is you can visit the official Codeavour website, the link I'm sharing in the description, sorry, in the live chat. You can visit that website. And yeah, sir, for the mask detector, what if the mask is color is different? Will it still work? For, I would say what you can do is, so if you are having, different color of mask, which is a very good question, Atharv, you can train a large amount of data. Suppose I've trained 500 pictures for this mask that I was wearing, which is of gray color. I can click pictures of myself wearing white mask. I can click pictures of myself wearing blue mask, and I can add that images in these image samples for each class. That will make it more accurate. All right, and then I can wear different color of mask and it will be identifying that. So how to scroll up? It's not scrolling up or down. In where it is not scrolling up and down. So can you tell what is Pictoblox again? Pictoblox is the application that we have to use to make our project for this competition. Sir, how can I join the course? So Crazy Coder Pictoblox, you have to first register yourself for this competition. After that, you have to go on your dashboard. From there, you can access to these free courses. Okay, son, can you say how to download Pictoblox? You can directly click on the link that we have shared, or what you can do is you can directly go in the description box of this video. I know it is a live, we are having the live session, but in the description box of this live session, you can see there are all the links from which you can visit the website, the official website. You can download Pictoblox, you can join the Telegram group. Everything is there. Timing of the DAO session, it is the same time. Okay, so it's going to take a few more minutes for us to train our model till the time I'm here back. So what are accuracy and epochs? I can talk about accuracy because epochs are, I would say it is something that accuracy is actually how accurate your model is. And I will show you how accurate it is. You will see when I will test it. I am going to test it before exporting it. Don't worry. And then there you can see what accuracy means over here. So this means that the current classes are covered under the free course. No, the current classes are actually free learning resources or the free sessions, free training sessions. Pranshu, those courses are different. Any other doubt that you have, guys, you can of course join the doubt session that we are going to have tomorrow. You can ask your doubt there. And the doubt session links are also shared in the Telegram group. So it is a must that you join the Telegram group so that we all, have clear understanding about this competition. So after clicking the link, what I have to do? You just have to download Pictoblox. That's it. Yeah. Yeah, Prancho. So in Windows machine learning, I need to put images for mask on. Yes, you need to. It was so easy and fun. Very good, Athar. That's great. Thank you. You're done training. That's very good. Mine is taking a little long time because I have trained like what? More than 1,000 images. So it's going to take a lot of time. But no, not a lot, just a little bit of time. So yeah. So if you train like 10, 20 image, then it is going to take like few minutes, like maybe 1 minute or two max. But if you train more than that, like I have trained around 1,000 images, so it's going to take a lot of time. And you can see it is saying model accuracy is good. That means that my model is very good. So what I can do now, I can test it. So I can just click on the webcam and I can test it. Let's test it out. It is showing mask off. Now, what if I wear my mask but improperly? This is for mask on. It is showing 100% accuracy for mask off, on, sorry, right? Now, suppose if I am wearing my mask wrong, 100% accurate that I'm wearing my mask wrong. So this is why we train a lot of images. Because what is happening over here, you can see it is very, very accurate. The accuracy is very good. It is very high. You can see over here in the graph. That means the accuracy of this model is very good. Now let's export it. I will click on export model and it will be exported on Python interface of Pictoblox. All right. Yep. Okay. So it is exported. Now what I have to do, I have to start my coding. So I will start my coding from line number 60. I will write down a comment that you have to code from here. Code here. All right. So you have to code in this part. Okay. So what we want to do exactly? So we want when the person is wearing mask, we want the Toby sprite to say that thank you for wearing mask. And suppose if the person is not wearing the mask, then you want the Toby sprite to say please wear the mask. Suppose and the next condition can be if the person is wearing mask but improperly, then we want the Toby sprite to say please wear a mask properly. So for that, first of all, we have to call the sprite class. So what we will do, we will directly write sprite equals to sprite, in which we will write the name of the sprite, that is Toby. So what we are doing, we are initializing a sprite variable and we are calling this sprite class, which will be having the sprite functions that inbuilt, and we will be using those to make the sprite say something, which is we will look at right now. So to check the condition, we will be using the if condition. So if the predicted class, that means the predicted class is the class that is predicted from the camera. If that class is mask on, you can check over here the spelling and the capital or the non-capital words. It have to be the same. So if it is, let's say, mask on, then we want the sprite to say, we want the sprite dot say is the function of inbuilt function of sprite class. We want the sprite to say thank you for wearing mask. Done. And if else if in Python we don't write else if, we write short form, that is elif. Elif the predicted class is double equals to, we have to write double equals to because it is string. So for string we have to write double equals to. It is a string type of data type, we have to use double equals to. So if the predicted class suppose is mask off, then what we want the sprite to say, we want the sprite to say please wear your mask. And suppose the next condition, which is the last one, which we can put in the else part, else if the sprite is of course not wearing the mask or wearing the mask, the next condition can be if the sprite is wearing the mask in a wrong manner. Then what we want the sprite to say, we will say sprite dot say, and we want the sprite to say please wear your mask properly. Done. This is the whole code. That's it. A very easy code. So what we are doing, I'm just going to wind up, do a recap. What we are doing if the predicted class is equals to mask on. That means if the mask on is detected, that means if the person is wearing mask, then we want the Toby sprite to thank that person for wearing mask. And suppose if that person is not wearing mask, then we want the Toby sprite to say or ask that person to wear mask. And if that person is wearing mask, but in a wrong manner, means improperly, he's wearing or she is wearing the mask, then we want the Toby sprite to say, please wear your mask properly. All right, now we will test it out. Okay, so I will click on run. I'm going to share both the screen, just a second. Kindly give me a second, everyone. Mm. Yeah, can you see both of the screens? Yeah, I guess now you can. Okay, so now you can see it's saying I'm not wearing any mask. And suppose if I wear a mask, look, it is saying thank you for wearing mask, right? And suppose if I'm wearing the mask but improperly, in a wrong manner, please wear your mask properly. And suppose if I'm not wearing any mask, then it is saying please wear your mask, right? So this is how this code is going to work. And I hope it is clear to all of you. Now, if you have any question, you can go ahead and ask me in the chat box. You have to generate your code. Sir, could you show all the code? So the rest of the code, you don't have to edit. You just have to write down this part. That's it. The rest of the code will be exported. You just have to write this part only. The rest of the code will be exported. All right. I hope it is clear to all of you. You don't have to, there is no need to see the whole code because you don't have to remember any of this. This is something that is exported by Pictoblox only. This is the whole code. Okay. All right. So I hope you were excited about this session because I got to know you were really as much as I was. So I hope everything is clear to you all. If there is anything that is not clear to you, you can definitely join the DAO session that we will be having tomorrow at the same time. You can join that DAO session. I will take up all your doubts over there, and you can ask me your doubts there, and you can get your doubts solved there only. All right. Thank you so much for joining this session. And once again, sorry for joining a little late because, um, yeah, sorry for joining a little late. And thank you so much. Please take out time to fill the attendance come feedback form. The link I have shared in the chat box with you. I hope that you all have registered yourself for this competition. If you haven't, then please register yourself because it is necessary. Then thank you so much for this session. I hope you all enjoyed. Have a great night. All the very best for this competition. Submit your great projects. We are looking forward to it. So till the next session, stay safe, stay happy, stay blessed. I will see you in the next session. Bye-bye.